Welcome. You guys are one of the first ones here in our newly opened Pastorelli. As you can see, we're just our soft launch, our soft opening. And you guys are one of the few that will try our not so new dishes. One of the things that we believe here is we don't want to recreate the wheel. So what we want to do is create dishes that are very, very popular, very, very familiar to the palate, but with premium curated ingredients. So as you can see in our menu that we did for in front of you, it's very, very traditional, but with a little bit of twist, just by changing the protein, just changing the meat, just changing the fish. One of you actually was asking if we were going to serve tulingan tonight, which is a Batangas favorite. So we're not having the ginatang barramundi anymore. We're having the tulingan tonight. So you can scratch that off the menu, and it's a Batangas favorite. We'll go through the menu real quick. I think we start with a soup, which is a Batangas bulalo, which is Batangas beef. So that's basically what we're gonna start with. So so you guys can try it. The next one is we will have a fresh lumpia, which is everything is made in house, as you can tell when we go course by course. Then another thing on a twist is a lamb shank adobo. So lamb shank is a little bit how do you call not intense, but the flavor of lamb really comes out in the leg of the lamb, especially in the shank. So the adobo kind of cuts through that. So that's why we're serving that tonight. Then the ginatang barramundi is off, but we will have a Batangas tulingan, which is a very, very Batangas favorite here. It's basically tulingan that's braised in pork fat, right? And it's wrapped. It's very, very traditional. I myself have had this when I was a kid. I'm actually half Batangueño, from here mismo. So the next one we're having is grilled prawns with calamansi butter, just to cut most of the rich dishes that we're having. Then we will have the Wagyu kare-kare. So something that's different, but once you taste the kare-kare sauce, it's just like a kare-kare sauce that's made in-house. We pound the peanuts, we roast the peanuts, we make it actually in adobong mane. Then we grind it with the garlic that we cook it in. Then we put that in the sauce, right? And then we have the binagoong lechon kawali. The binagoong lechon kawali is a mainstay here at Robusta in Pontefino, and here in Pastorelli. So the bagoong itself is made in-house. We make it ourselves. Then the lechon kawali is it's actually secondary to our bagoong. It actually lifts up the bagoong more than the bagoong lifting up the lechon kawali. So I hope you guys enjoy. A little bit about myself. As you read in our little thing, I'm actually from Batangas. Not from Batangas. I grew up in Manila, but I spent my summers here in Batangas when I was a child. Then around when I was 13, moved to the States, San Francisco, California. So that's where I actually got my culinary education. So I'm really more of American Californian cuisine, right? And when I came back about 13 years ago, I started working for Centro. So that's where I really started cooking Filipino food. That's where I learned. I knew how to cook the simple stuff, but really never got into it, right? Till now. Then after that, I opened One World Deli. I was one of the people who opened One World Deli, the one in Jupiter and in the different locations also. I was the corporate executive chef there. Then I found myself coming back to Batangas. So parang umikot lang ako, and I'm back here again, right? So I'm very excited that I'm here because after years and years, I kind of forgot which part of Batangas I was from. And it was really here. And my Lola's house is actually probably like 2 kilometers away from here. So I guess it was just fate that I'm back here, and I feel very at home here, especially here in Pontefino, right? And so in that, this why I'm serving you Filipino food is something that I've really learned, and what I wanted how to express my Filipino roots through this, with a little bit of touch of, diba, from where I came from California, from ano. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Any questions you may have after, please don't hesitate while you're eating. Why is it tasting like this? I'll be walking around. I won't be hovering, but please call me if you see me from afar. By all means, I'm okay. Diba? So let's start our little culinary journey to our soft opening of Pastor Eli.